Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the January GlamEgo box. This is definitely one of my favorite beauty subscription boxes because it only costs 299 rupees. Yes, you heard me right. It's only 300 rupees and you get 4 beauty products in here that usually value over 2000 rupees. So I think this box is one of the most amazing value for money boxes out there. So let's dig in. I don't know what is inside here. I'm super excited to find out. So I have a card that says, thanks for making GlamEgo India's #1 beauty box, and I can totally see why, because they're so inexpensive. They're offering amazing products at this ridiculously inexpensive price. So I think there is a list of products which I really don't want to see because, as you guys know, I like to be surprised with my products, so I never see these lists. So we have our four products here. So I think I'm just gonna start with this right here. This is by the brand Caffeine. I have used some products by this brand before and I really enjoy it. This is a Neem caffeine face wash, which means that it's going to be great for acne prone skin because Neem is great for acne prone skin. This does cost 200 rupees and it says, welcome to the pack, let caffeine be your identity. Caffeine tones the skin with Neem for a natural protection. Use it anytime you want to feel refreshed. It is not tested on animals and it is paraben free. And this is a 50 ml bottle, which is great. I think this is a great travel size. It does smell really good. It doesn't smell like a bitter neem kind of thing. It smells really nice and refreshing. So I'm super excited to try that out because you guys know I love trying out different face washes because I get bored with the same face wash and I keep trying out new face washes, especially something that has neem because that would be great for times when I'm getting breakouts and pimples. So yeah, that is the first thing in my box. The next item I have is by Natural Bath and Body. This is a Vital Nourishment Cream. Grapefruit and vitamin C, your lighter, whiter, brighter fix. This is what it looks like. So it's a cream. Again, great for travel. I love these little travel sizes. It says wash and cleanse your face, pat dry, scoop out and apply on the face, massage in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes for penetration, use as often as required. So this is definitely something that I can include in my skincare routine. So that is the second product that I got in my box. Now the third product looks like a makeup item. This is by the brand Bella Voste and I think I have a matte lipstick by this brand which is really nice. This is in fact a lip gloss. It says the perfect gloss and this costs 600 rupees. So the value of the bag is already recovered. So let's see what shade this is. It says this is in the shade Mercier Rouge. Oh, so it's a beautiful red kind of shade. This is what it looks like. It's a full-size tube. So that is what it looks like. As you can see, it's a super pigmented lip gloss. Oh, it smells really nice, like vanilla cupcakes. And I have been wearing lip gloss a little more often than I used to, especially because it's the winter time and my skin can get really dry, especially my lips because they get so chapped in the winter time. So I do like wearing glosses in the winter time, and this one seems like you're not gonna have to put any lipstick underneath. This can be your lip balm, your gloss, your lipstick all in one. Then for the last product, I have this by BioBloom and this is a skincare face oil, age defying and radiance booster. It is 15 ml, so this looks like a full size and this costs 1500 rupees. Okay, so we got a lot of products in this bag. This 100% natural face oil enhances skin radiance and aids in skin tightening, lightening and rejuvenation. It is suitable for all skin types and age groups. This oil also diminishes fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, who doesn't want that? The ingredient list is pretty impressive. Apricot kernel oil, carrot seed oil, rosehip oil, geranium oil, lemon oil, frankincense oil, rosemary, vitamin E and evening primrose. I have been really into face oils recently, and do remember the oils are supposed to be applied last. Like you should apply your toner, your moisturizer, your serum, and then oil is what goes on last. So I have been using oil a lot in my skincare regime, and I also have been mixing oils in my foundation, especially in this dry weather, because I feel like foundation just applies so much better if you mix a little bit of oil in it. So this is what it looks like. It is a full size and it costs 1500 rupees. Oh, it smells really fresh. I'm definitely going to use this tonight itself after I wash my face and I'm ready to do my skincare. This is what I'm gonna apply on my face tonight. I love oils, you guys. I can't tell you how much I love face oils and what difference it has made in my oily combo skin. My skin is normal now because I use face oils. That is how it works. Your skin produces more oil if you don't give it enough nourishment, but if you provide enough nourishment in the first place, it doesn't get as oily. So yeah, that is the fourth product in my box. So I think as usual, this month's box is a total winner. Honestly, for $2.99 you really cannot complain because you're getting amazing products. So the first product I got was the Neem face wash. Then I also have the Vitamin Nourishment Cream. I have this beautiful Bella Voste lip gloss. And of course, I have the BioBloom Skincare Face Oil. So those were all of the products that I got in this month's GlamEgo box. Do let me know if you get this box. I would absolutely love to know that so we can be twinsies. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please subscribe to my channel. It only takes a moment. You can also click the bell next to the subscribe button so you're notified whenever I have a new video up. You can also check out my Instagram to know what is up with me behind the scenes when I'm filming, when I'm editing, and all of that fun stuff. Like this video if you enjoyed, leave your comments down below, and I'm gonna see you super soon in my next one. Bye bye.